Okay, hey there, I'm shooting another video here with a little bit more neutral frame for the A7S Mark II horizontal noise test. You can see I'm using S-Log 3, I'm in picture profile 9, and sitting right now at ISO 10,000, and I'm seeing a noticeable horizontal noise pattern in the footage. Now I'm going to click from this ISO to 12,800 in 3, 2, 1. You can see all that horizontal noise seems to have disappeared. So it cleans up. What was maybe explained to me as a solution was that if I use the ISOs of the camera that are native, i.e. 1600, 3200, 6400, 12,800, etc., then the footage should be clean there. Now to test that, I'm going back down. See at 8,000 there, that's the noise is reintroduced. Back up to 10,000 there, and I'm going to go down to 6400, which is one of the native ISOs. So this is 10,000, 8,000, 6400, and I can still see the same horizontal noise pattern, just a little bit darker because I'm at a lower ISO. I'm going to go down to 5,000, 4,000, 3,200. 2,500, 2,000, 1,600. So in theory, at these native ISOs, the noise should be gone, like it is at 12,800. And it's a little too dark for me to see it by eye right now, but I'm going to try and boost it in post a little bit and see if that pattern still exists in the footage. Not that it necessarily is a problem when it's this dark, but trying to determine if the native ISOs actually produced cleaner footage or not. So that's one last time I'm going to go through them. 1600 here, 2000, 2500, 3200, 4000, 5000, 6400, 8000, 10,000, 12,800. And lastly, I'm going to continue to go up from here to see if it gets reintroduced at any point. 1,600, 20,000, 25,600, 3,200, 40,000, 51,200, 64,000, 80,000, 102,400, 128,000, 160,000, 204,800, 256,000, 320,000, 409,600.